Hi everyone, this is me Manna Gupta, your tech host, and you are watching IT Voice for all your tech updates. So today you will know about Microsoft, which expands footprints in India with major land purchase in Pune. Adobe unveils major updates to After Effects and Premiere Pro. G42 to build massive AI-ready data centers in India. Then about Cerebras versus Nvidia. A new AI hardware contender. Google Chrome adds new AI-powered features for better tab management. Sonos launched Ace headphones in India for 39,999. Finally, about Realme set to launch Realme Pad 2 Lite and P2 Pro 5G on September 13. Talking about the quiz section, in yesterday's quiz we asked about which is the first search engine on internet, and the answer is Archie. It's time for today's daily tech quiz. Here's today's question. In which year was the concept of internet began in India? Think you know the answer? We want to hear it from you. Leave your guess in the comments below and we will reveal the correct answer soon in the next bulletin. So stay tuned if you got the answer right. With Microsoft, which has just made a significant move in India by buying 16.4 acres of land in Pune's Hinjewadi area for Rs 520 crores. This land acquisition, completed in August 2024, comes from Indo Global Infotech City LLP. The deal also included a stamp duty of Rs 31.18 crores and a registration fee of Rs 30,000. This isn't Microsoft's first big investment in India. In 2022, they purchased a 25-acre plot in Pimpri Chinchwad for Rs 328 crores. Earlier this year, acquired 48 acres in Hyderabad for Rs 267 crores. These purchases are a part of Microsoft's plan to grow its data center operations across major Indian cities like Pune, Mumbai, and Chennai. Next major update is about Adobe, which has rolled out significant upgrades to After Effects, making it easier for designers to integrate 3D models into real-world footage and 2D designs. New features include embedded 3D animations, ultra-realistic shadows, and depth mapping for better blending and photorealism. Users can now animate and composite 3D models seamlessly, enhancing motion design workflows. In Adobe Premiere Pro, new color management tools transform raw footage into high-quality SDR and HDR without the need of LUTs, streamlining the video editing process and improving the performance. These updates offer smoother, faster workflows for both the platforms. Tech World. Repeat. Next exciting news in the tech world is Abu Dhabi-based G42 is set to revolutionize India's data infrastructure with plans to build up to 2 gigawatt AI-ready data centers. This expansion, doubling the country's existing capacity, comes through a partnership established in February 2024 agreement between UAE and Indian governments. G42 CEO for India, Manu Kumar Jain, proudly shared this milestone, emphasizing company's role in advancing AI initiatives. Meanwhile, Mukesh Ambani's Reliance Industries is also diving into AI arena with its own gigawatt-scale data center in Jamnagar. The announcement was made during Sheikh Khaled bin Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan's visit to India, with the Union Minister Piyush Goyal joining the event in Mumbai. Exciting news, exciting times ahead for AI and tech enthusiasts definitely. Coming up to the news section, we talk about Cerebras Systems, which has launched Cerebras Inference, claiming to be 20 times faster than Nvidia's GPU. Powered by the wafer-scale engine, the chip integrates 44 GB of SRAM to eliminate memory bottlenecks, delivering 1800 tokens per second for large AI models like Llama 3.1. Key differences include that Cerebras, designed for AI interface, its single-chip architecture drastically reduces latency and boosts speed for larger models. And Nvidia is more versatile. Nvidia's multi-die architecture handles a wider range of tasks, but with added complexity. For speed and large AI models, Cerebras shines, but for versatility and industry use, Nvidia remains the top choice. It's about Google Chrome, which has introduced 3 new AI features to help the users manage tabs more efficiently. These updates aim to improve the browsing experience on both iOS and cross-platform devices. First is tab grouping on iOS. iOS users can now group tabs similar to the feature available on Android and desktop. You can customize tab groups with colors, names for easy identification. Secondly, you can sync across devices. Coming soon, users will be able to save and sync tab groups across all devices logged into the same Google account. These features allow users to start browsing on one device and seamlessly continue on another. AI-powered suggestions. An experimental feature uses AI to recommend web pages based on previously opened tabs, saving users from bookmarking or remembering URLs. These AI features aim to make browsing smoother and more personalized. Next is Sonos, which has finally entered the headphone market with its first ever over-the-ear Bluetooth headphones. The Sonos Ace, which is now available in India, priced at $39,999. The Ace is designed for those who value high-quality audio, featuring lossless audio, active noise cancellation, and spatial audio with Dolby Atmos. These headphones promise an immersive experience with true cinema technology for surround sound, perfect for creating a private cinema vibe. Plus, they can seamlessly switch between your Sonos soundbar and headphones with just a tap. Available in black and soft white, the Ace goes on sale from 11th September. Realme, which has announced the launch of its new Realme Pad 2 Lite and Realme P2 Pro 5G on September 13 at 12 pm. The Realme Pad 2 Lite will feature a 2K display with 90Hz refresh rate and 8300 mAh battery. It will be available in lavender and deep grey colors and will likely compete with Poco Pads. Alongside the tablet, Realme will launch the P2 Pro 5G, which comes with 80-watt fast charging and 120Hz curved AMOLED display. While pricing hasn't been confirmed, the Realme Pad 2 Lite is expected to be priced between 15,000 to 20,000 rupees. And P2 Pro 5G could fall in sub rupees 25,000 range. Both devices will now be available on Flipkart and Realme's official website. This was all for today. We'll again meet in the next bulletin. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe IT Voice.